Okay, welcome to HDFocus. So today I'm going to show our factory. We call this the factory tour. So we're going to see here, this is where the main product in the AD testing here. So let me show you one by one. So then for example, this product we're doing the AD testing. This is also small size, 55 inch. We're building camera, okay? And then you see we have this product is the 75 inch. Like for example, this product we do right in here, HDFocus. So you can see here is very smooth. The touch is very smooth, so it's very good. So this is 75 inch, but we also have some other sizes. For example, this is our 65 inch. You see here, this size is a little bit smaller than that one, but also still big enough. For this one, you see here, this color, we have this side, and this side bar is the silver gray. But in the left and right side is in black color. But for the color, we can customize that for you, okay? So of course, we also have some other sizes. For example, for me, we have some other big sizes. See here, we have many products here. Because we are the factory, so we can have the ready stock. We have for many models. For example, this one is the 86 inch. So you see here, we have many products here. Okay, doing the waiting for the agent testing. Okay. This product is not power off, but we have made product already power on doing the agent testing. Just please follow me. So you see here, this product is the 65 inch. So it's the touch here, okay? And this product is already doing the agent testing. This size is 65 inch. So please follow me. They are all doing agent testing here. You can see one by one. You see here, there are many. Each 5 units were put in one rack and doing the agent testing. So you can see here, there are many here. Okay, so that is for our factory tour for today. It's like all the products. So we are very professional at the interactive board. So if you are interested, please contact us. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.